it's done. Just like that, y'all. What's up, YouTube? It's Roger, TV screens, phone screens, whatever. It's True 2 times and I'm back with a new video. As y'all can tell by the title, y'all, I'm gonna be curling my hair in 15 minutes. I'm getting ready to go out to eat with my bestie. I'm wearing a dress, so I should curl my hair. Usually when you're doing this, you don't want to take super tiny sections. That's not the curls I'm going for. But if you want like a different kind of curl, you can go for like smaller sections, but I don't. So I just take a section, I brush it out, and I'm kind of annoyed with this hair because it's starting to shed a lot. I did get this from Amazon, but I always shop from this same like person who does the hair, so I don't know why is it shedding so much now. I got back, I ran out of storage on my freaking camera, so it stopped my video and I had to go delete some stuff off of my camera. So I'm gonna start over with this one, and I'm gonna just walk y'all down on how I curl my hair with this while I'm doing this. So I just put it in the back of me and I curl away from my face. Shucks. I hate when I mess up because then I be all messed up in general. But yeah, I just kind of like curl away from my face. It's getting hot a little bit. Then sometimes when I'm waiting, I count sometimes. Then I just hold it for a second before I let it go. Hold it. Cause I have hair clips, but I don't have time to look for that. And don't mind my nails, y'all. I'm in the midst of taking them off because I'm doing me a new set tomorrow. But yeah, now I just let it go. And you see that's the first curl. It's okay, I'm not going for a certain look, so I just want curls in my hair real quick. Other one. So if y'all are watching this video, how is y'all's 2023 going so far? Like, just went off. That's so freaking rude. Like, the odds are just against me today as far as like recording. Like, first I don't have any space on my camera. Now my light turned off in the middle of me curling my hair. That's so rude. Ugh. I can't really find the hair clips like I need them, but they're not really needed. Like, if you're curling your hair, you don't need the hair clips. Right after I'm done, I'm leaving because I do have to work today at 3. So y'all see that? That's so pretty. I do have to work today at 3, so right when I'm done, I'm leaving. Me and my best friend's going to go eat at Outback. And if y'all can't tell, I do my hair like by halves. So I do this half first and then I do that half. I usually do like the top layers of my hair last because I want like my hair to fall in a certain way without me putting layers in my hair. My 2023 so far is going great. I went to a yoga class yesterday. No, the day before yesterday. And I enjoyed it so much. At first, I'm like, what the heck is going on? Like, why does she have us bending like this? Like, ma'am, I am not flexible, nowhere near it. But I do want to get flexible, so I don't mind yoga. And I felt really at peace after because I did yoga before I did my workout. So I did yoga, and then once that was done, I went and did my actual workout, and I felt like so good and like pumped up, ready to go work out. Ooh. That is so pretty. See, when you do little curls, it come out like a certain kind of way. And like I told you, I don't really have a certain way that I'm trying to curl my hair, so I'm really just curling it because I want curls. Like with this dress, I feel like I should be having curls in my hair. So that's what I'm doing. I'm mad that my nails are not done, but whatever. I just started taking them off yesterday because I want a new set. So, and honestly, I just hold this for like, I try to hold it for like 30 seconds. Sometimes I hold it more. So it's just all about what size, what section, how much hair you're curling, how long you should keep it on the Oh, I keep dropping them without holding them. All right, that's another one. And I try not to comb through them for real until I'm done. But this is how they're looking so far. Hair is shedding so bad. Done like right way. And usually when I do my hair, ooh, that's so pretty. But yeah, when I do my hair, I know how to do simple stuff. It's 10:36 and I gotta be done by 10:44. Let's get to it. But yeah, I take my time with the front curl because I don't have layers in my hair. I don't want to put layers in my hair, but I want it to look a certain way, so I take my time with that. Now we're on the other side. Like, I just start from the back section, brush it out, comb it out, whatever. Start from the back, brush it out, comb it out, and then I curl away from my face. So I just literally wrap it around the wand curl. Wand curl might be the easiest way to curl your hair. A lot of hair, so I'm gonna hold this one for like at least like 60 seconds.
50 seconds starting now.
I really don't even need all that time, y'all. I'm just so extra. And I'm gonna hold it for a second. And I'm gonna let it go. And y'all see that? Oh, y'all. I didn't get to get the end. Hold on. If you missed the end, it's not the end of the world. Just curl it. If you want a certain, like, if you like already have a picture you want to do, then I don't know. If you looked at this picture and you said, oh, I want my, if you look at this picture and you said, oh, I want my stuff like this, then follow everything that I'm doing. And y'all, I did my lace and it's still laid. Like, what? Don't play with me. 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 So yep, now I'm just doing it again, waiting a few seconds, and then I'll let it go. If you're in a rush and you're trying to do your hair, I would definitely recommend, if you're trying to curl your hair, I would definitely recommend using a wand curler. Like, it's gonna get you in and out quick. And I don't know how to use the other curlers. Why does my light keep going off? I don't know how to use the other curlers, so this really like come in handy for me, because I don't know how to use the other ones. I brought the other ones. I just brought new ones, but I don't know how to use it. Let me plug my light back up. All right. This was that curl that I just did, y'all, so y'all can see it. Oh, baby, don't play with it. I kind of want to style my hair, but I don't know how I'm going to style it. And I was going to do my makeup, but I really don't feel like it because I got to go to work today, and that's just too much going on. Why Siri can't read my message when I tell her to? I told her to read my message. She won't read it. Talk about that unlock. Girl, my hands are full. Hold on, y'all. Now, y'all, start the top. I'm kind of not gonna finish. Kind of not gonna finish this in 15 minutes because I just keep having a lot going on.
It's 10:41 a.m.
It's 10:41. At 44, it will be 15 minutes. I would have curled my hair in 15 minutes. So we'll see if I make it there, which I don't think I am. But I don't have that much left, so I might. Right. That's that one. Super cute, super pretty, you know. And make sure y'all curling away from you. So if you're doing the left side, is this my left side? If you're doing the left side, curl back. If you're doing the right side, curl back. Like, curl away. Don't curl it forward because it's not gonna give you like a effect that you got layers or some sort. If you want that effect anyway. But it just looks better when you curl away from you. That's what I recommend. Make sure that you guys are liking and subscribing to my videos. I'm gonna have a lot more tutorials coming. If you guys want something explained better, make sure you comment down below. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, TikTok, and what else I use? I use Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, all that. I have all those linked below. And make sure y'all just follow me because why not? It's really lit on this side. I want to do a Q&A too, an updated one. I don't even think I have a first Q&A on my page. If I do, it's probably so old. Yeah, I'm gonna recurl the ends. I don't know what's going on with me and the ends right now, but we're having a real battle. Like, we're fighting. We're going through it. We're going through it really bad. Now, y'all. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 10:43 a.m.
So I actually didn't do too bad on time because it's 10:43. I'm supposed to be done at 10:44, and I just have the last 2 front sections left. If y'all want more videos like this, please let me know, because I'm trying to figure out what does my subscribers like seeing. Like, what do y'all want to see? I make a million vlogs, no one watches them, so the vlogs, I'm over it. That's all I want to see. I'm showing y'all 2023. I'm giving my subscribers what they want to see. Okay, I want to post, well, what I want to post, yes, but what y'all want to see too. So make sure y'all letting me know. Like, I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers before February, so help me out. Share this video if you found it helpful. If you do use like how I just showed y'all, let me know. It's 10:44 now. This side is done. This is how it's looking. I have to hot comb my hair. Let me do that now. Y'all see, that's super like cute and pretty. Like, it's just cute. I'm gonna do the other side real quick, y'all. It's 10:44 now, so I kind of finished. Well, I'm kind of on a great schedule, so it didn't even take me 20 minutes to do this. So if you're in a rush and you need to curl your hair, this is definitely, you should definitely like follow what I just did, because I'm kind of done. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm kind of done. If you're looking at my fat arms, oh well, I'll go to the gym now, so we're gonna work on that this year as well. It's that one, and then I'm gonna curl this one. Then I'm done, and I'm gonna let y'all know what time I actually finished. All right, hold that for a second, because that is the most important part of this hairstyle. Y'all see that? That's so freaking cute. Like, this hair is giving. I hate how it sheds a lot, but a little bit so it can be flat. Then I just go under it and then like hot comb it underneath that little layer, that little flap or whatever that is. See, my hair is done just like that, y'all. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 10:47 a.m.
10:47. I was supposed to finish at 10:44. Hold on. Which I might not have curls in the back that much, but I don't wear my hair like to the back anyway. This is my hair, and that's how you curl your hair. And my hair in just 18 minutes, y'all. I got these bomb curls in just 18 minutes with a wand curler. Now, I don't know what kind of wand curler that is. All I know is that it's from Remington, and I got this from the thrift store a while ago, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. That, and I've had it for like 3 years. So yeah, that's how you get curls in no time. It's super cute. It's easy. The curls are giving. They're bouncy, and I'm ready to go out on my date with my bestie. So yeah, y'all, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I want more hair videos because I do know a little something about hair. Comment down below if y'all have any questions about anything that I use. Comment down below. I didn't use any products on this. All I used was a hot comb, and I used my wand curlers. So that's it. That's how I just curled my hair in 18 minutes. It was supposed to be 15 minutes, but I had a few setbacks with my light and my camera and some other stuff. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.